Hello everyone. Today we're going to explore a new trading strategy. I will trade the currency pairing of British pounds with US dollars. I will use it on the 1 hour time frame. Remember this for certain. If you wish to test this strategy with a trustworthy licensed broker, make sure to register. Make sure to follow the link beneath this video, register and commence trading. With me, of course, please provide the text you would like me to correct. At first, we need add indicator. Understood. To elaborate on the ostensive indicator a bit. Look, add it carefully. I'm sorry, you don't provide the text correct. Please provide the text correct. You do not need to do anything with this indicator. We leave everything as is. We observe closely. Thank you for viewing. To our schedule. See if this is where we receive a buy signal. It's rather straightforward, nothing complex about it. We have a buy signal and a green candle has formed. In this case, we need to buy. If it is formed, producer all your short proofreader, please provide the text you want me to correct. The red candlestick appears and a sell signal emerges. And so forth. All over. That's the signal for packaging. A green candle indicates it's time to buy. A red candle. Thanks for viewing. Sell signal activated, we are initiating sales. And how we perceive it. If we utilize solely this indicator, most likely that many. Our agreement will not be beneficial as we will have a T here. There is no distinct trend towards the east or west. Just a slight fluctuation. The price rose slightly, then fell, such minor fluctuations. It's quite challenging to finalize such transactions under the table. We will have quite a lot. False. 3 hours. To halt this. Let us add another indicator to our chart. This is our theme indicator. This is our exponential moving average. This is the indicator we have. We are adding it. Next, you need to adjust some settings on it. End of the line. It's definitely what we need. Oh. Prescribe 200. Save. This is what we need to consider. So, for instance, the price is above this line, correct? The average bone density indicator. That is when the signal is above. We only execute trading transactions on this line. We do not facilitate buying and selling transactions. I mean, look at this. I'll demonstrate an example. We can observe that the price has escalated. Above there is a sell signal. We ignore it. A high price signifies we will create vlogs exclusively for purchasing. Subsequently, a signal to buy emerged. Hello. The statement reads, a green candle has formed on the chart and we open it right here in this location. Uh-oh. Introduction to I. Next. The intriguing part comes next. When should we seal this deal? To summarize, I offer you an option. At the moment when we receive a sell signal and a red candle forms, we close our trading order in profit. We close it and don't trade any further. We have nothing for sale. We don't open it. And here we are again in this place. A buying signal is observed. A green candlestick is present. We open the second order. Once again, it's a buy. Yes. At this juncture, when the signal for sale emerges, we shut off our water pipe. We observe the beak once more. So I return to the path of injuries. and so on. We disregard it. A sale signal emerges. We initiate immediately. 3. A sale signal appears here immediately as well. We observe an upward trend. Adjust it slightly, it will yield significant results. And then, when they walked here, a minor variation, a slight deviation from the eastern direction, we disregard it all. Then a purchase signal appears. Yes, the purchase signal is confirmed. Open the second bottle of water. At this juncture, we conclude the transaction and secure a profit. We refrain from conducting any additional trades. The price has dropped. It's gone. The breakthrough is ours. It's in this line. If it was meant to make a line, then no. You can clearly see the rows here. Facts. I'll be here. I would not recommend trading. In other words, we miss everything just like this. Why? As the price oscillates, it disrupts the trend line all over the place. True. While there's an ascending trend, it remains ambiguous. You see, a disruption occurred here. The subsequent events are uncertain. I would also bypass all of this. We don't engage in any of these transactions. Fact. Breakthrough here too. There is no sell signal, there is a buy signal. I would have disregarded it regardless. It continued, with slight progress being made. The situation remains unclear. We're disregarding everything for now. Yes. For now here, I don't see how it's possible to trade for sale. This is the place where you can deviate from what's being sold repeatedly. Here, you have the opportunity to barter. For sale, we see far fewer signs like this. But and blow without using a brush. To make it clearer, let's examine another instance where we experienced a downward trend. Now we have embarked on an upward trend together. This was evident here. Very good. The report confirms it. Here, the line ended well. We have here, when a sell signal emerges, we proceed with the sale. If the price experiences a minor decrease, it triggers a buy signal. We only conclude our transaction following the issuance of a buy signal. The price increased slightly. There was a sell signal. We are in selling mode. If a buying signal appears, we will close our trade. And so on and so forth. We open for sales here and then close again here. That is, I also put up something like this for sale. Introduction without acrylics. All's well. It's beautiful. Now let's examine a real-world example in real time. Observe what we have. Tina, we have a higher Leni goat medium imatag. And we received a purchase signal. The green candle was opened like this. That is, we opened the pipe into the water. At the Ukopa. Open the purchase and let's see how it functions. I think that the price will increase. We will close when a sell signal appears. Facts. I recommend setting a stop loss. Staples. We'll take it. Here are the lower lines. Let's establish a stop loss approximately in this region. Should a breakout occur, we will conclude the trade. But those profits will materialize when they are in our possession. A signal to sell. I am uncertain where it will be at this point. Yes, avoid excess in freedoms. It's crucial. Let's take a look. Yes, but the trend towards the east has also disappeared. And here we have a minor fluctuation. So far, so good. We must be vigilant not to overlook the moment when we need to conclude. Thank you for viewing. That is quite impressive. Look, that is the point where we initiated the trade. And how much have we already earned? Sarcasm. Oh, sister. So, everything is set. We're finalizing the deal. Your request is complete. Please provide the text you want to correct. See you soon. And look, the ratio of risk to return. Artists. 0.75. It's just gorgeous. It's just beautiful. Go again. Let's pause our video for now and then view another example when we encounter a non-Eastern trend. So we examine it meticulously. There was a breakout of the goats. The average price is listed here. We're still... Yes. Accordingly, we observe a sell signal. Let's initiate a three-way trade. For sale. For sale. In this place. I set the stop loss to 600 at the level of our line. So yes, indeed. We'll examine their profile when it becomes visible. The signal's here. At Popcopco, we will then close our second deal. Let's see how the price will change. The primary thing is to exercise caution. That's it. We are shutting down everything. Our trading year at this location has already been concluded. Huh, he was so full. It's pretty good. Prostroy. Go. Yes. Stay alert, everyone. We have a purchase signal. We disregard the trade. We do not initiate any transactions. And at this location, we are once again selling water. Yes. For sale. I will. Let's even take it in this city. Mike, is it? Stop. We approximately reach our line. City prohibition. We do not know where we will find them.
Thank you for viewing.
In that place, when we receive a signal to purchase. Let's take another look. Where it sits. You see, he appreciated us. Note. Everything is being adjusted. Everyone will leave. More. Let's see what's going on here. A sell signal emerges, a buy signal follows, yet we disregard them both. We persist in our wait, despite the reappearance of the buy signal. We observe that we haven't hit the stop loss yet. Thus, we carry on with our trading. Despite it being a season, we didn't generate any profit. Here, we can essentially conclude it, though it's still not entirely clear. I mean, it's disappeared, it's vanished, it's a lateral trend. Let's go even further. I hope it will be this year. I gave it to the dormice. Yes. Generally speaking, it's better. And let me conclude here. On the previous nights, there was nothing to close. To be honest, that's why I keep going. Up. We've made a profit. He comes. Your request is missing the text that needs to be corrected. Please provide the text for correction. As we observe the strategy, it works. You just need to be cautious, observe attentively, and take your time. We won't receive any signals. A great number of them. Because we eliminate all of them. Unnecessary basic signals. They will bring it to us. In betas, yes. So, Trugoim, be careful. The strategy is working quite well. If you wish to evaluate this strategy or any others in a dependable, uncensored lesson, make sure to click on the link beneath this video and sign up. And trade with me. Have a nice day. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.